Hello everyone around the world and hello everyone in South Africa. Today we are going to speak about how to become a YouTube channel manager. And first of all, I think we need to describe or explain what is a YouTube channel. YouTube channel, it refers to your personal or business space on YouTube, which is one of the most popular media platforms nowadays. A YouTube channel is where you upload your video content and share it for viewers' indulgence. A YouTube channel can be used to inform, entertain, or to promote products and or services. The platform is available to everyone who joins YouTube as a member. And guess what? It is for free. Yes, opening up a YouTube channel is absolutely free of charge, just like in other social media platform out there, for an example like Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. A channel shows the account name, personal description, as well as the public videos you uploaded. You may also enter other relevant information or information you want to share with your audiences. Creating a YouTube channel is basically like creating a blog. You have the option to customize the background as well as the color scheme of your channel. And also we have the ability to control some of the information that appears on your channel. For most personal YouTube accounts, they don't really hire a manager to handle everything for them. However, it is different in businesses, companies, or personalities cases. Most of them hire a YouTube channel manager to handle the channel and everything that needs to be done in it. Just so you know, if you are going to open up as a brand, YouTube does have a business channel wherein one can use a brand manager. Okay, let's carry on. What is a channel manager? A channel manager, or as also known as a YouTube community manager, refers to the person whose main job is to help a YouTube channel grow exponentially by increasing its audience, subscribers, as well as channel engagements. Although this task may sound pretty much obvious with the job title itself, what people do not know is that it takes very special skills to be able to meet such goals. In fact, so much more than skills you might have imagined. Apart Apart from technical and social expertise, a great and successful channel manager has to have amazing skill set which are going to share with you in a while. A YouTube channel manager is considered as critical team member in helping support social strategies for the channel. Also, apart from YouTube expertise, she must also have a solid understanding of all other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, as well as LinkedIn, or depending on what the client requires. A YouTube channel manager is very important, especially to those who want to succeed on YouTube and earn big bucks of money. Or like in the case of products, brand and businesses, companies, they need one in order to reach their target audience or customers and have a positive outcome out of it. Okay, then let's go. What does a YouTube channel manager do? The roles and responsibilities of a YouTube channel manager depends on case-to-case basis, meaning it depends on what your client needs are. However, some of the common tasks of the YouTube channel manager include uploading videos to the YouTube channel being handled, conducting research on keywords, as well optimize titles, description, and text of every YouTube video uploaded, annotating, playlisting, as well as promoting videos on YouTube, interacting or engaging with viewers of the channel, staying current. Okay, when we're talking about interacting or engaging with viewers of the channel, is whereby a certain audience or certain viewers they comment on a certain video. So the channel manager goes to the comment and then able to interact with that comment, with that with that viewer. So that's how interacting and engaging with viewers of the channel occurs. Staying current or up to date on changes to the YouTube platform, ensuring all video content adheres to the branding, accessibility guidelines of the product, service, company, or business. This is how some of the common tasks a YouTube channel manager has or do or okay. Becoming a YouTube subject matter expert, providing insight and recommendation according to the data, and so on. As you can see, the job is not just about uploading videos on the channel and engaging with the viewers. As a YouTube channel manager, you are involved in brainstorming up until data gathering and reporting. It's safe to say that you plays a very important role in how the channel will succeed. If you are working, for instance, for a brand or a personal, you have a huge responsibility in ensuring that the brand or the person's goals are attained. And what are the requirements to be a YouTube channel manager? If you are looking at becoming a YouTube channel manager, we highly recommend assessing yourself. Look into yourself if you have the following skills and qualities in order to land in such job post. Technical skills. Of course, this particularly refers to everything about how YouTube works. Social skills, because you are going to be the person engaging with the viewers of the channel. And also multitasking skills, critical thinking skills, able to attention to the smallest details, ability to set priorities, excellent verbal and written communication skills, passionate about social media space. So when you want to become a channel manager, you must be also passionate about social media space, and also be motivated as a self-starter, works well with other people. So you must be able to work well with other people, and also have ability to meet deadlines and adjust to change in priorities. Okay, that was our requirements to become a channel manager. And then depending on who you are working for, some brands, agencies, or even personalities look for other qualifications like a certain number of years experience in the field or doing the job per se, knowledge in SEO, video advertising, content marketing, Google Analytics, as well as the different social media platforms, a YouTube certified, bachelor's degree. So you must be a YouTube certified, because that's how other brands and company or agencies are looking for. So if your channel is certified, it means that it's possible people to trust you. And also, if you have a bachelor's degree in YouTube or in social media, it's how it will be possible to the brands to trust you. So how much does a YouTube channel manager make? This is other thing that it might be important for someone who wants to be a channel manager. Of course, before you consider jumping into this job, it is very common practice to check first how much you can make out of it. Thus, we are going to share with you very relevant information about how much a YouTube channel manager's salary is. In New York alone, there are 3,526 job openings for social media managers. YouTube channel manager is included. On Indeed, as of this writing, which according to the website is 10% growth compared to last year's number. With such data, it also means that the industry is growing, and that more people and companies are hiring individuals to handle their social media channels, including YouTube. According to ZipRecruiter, as of January 26, 2020, the average annual salary rate for the YouTube channel manager in New York City is $168,087, which means it can go as low as $14,773 up to $153,197 per year. So we're talking about how much does a YouTube channel manager make. Meanwhile, across the United States, the average salary rate for the said job post is $62,221. You see, the job is really in demand given such numbers. So are you ready to start your request to be becoming a YouTube channel manager? And then how to become the best in YouTube channel management. We have already mentioned some of the basics information on how to become a YouTube channel manager. However, it is different story if you want to be a superstar YouTube channel manager. Having said that, here are some key information that you must require if you want to be the best in this particular job. Technical keys. The job requires your technical skills. So if you want to become a best in YouTube channel management, you need to have technical skills. So yes, that's how you're gonna become the best YouTube channel management. Thank you guys for watching my channel. May please guys keep on subscribing and keep on engaging with my videos and keep on engaging with me. And next time I will have something better than this one. Thank you.